Hello and welcome back to the channel. I was inspired by the colors in stones from a recent trip I took, and I'll be blending them with the antique mirror technique. I love the way the subtle colors came out on this table. If that's something that you'd like to see, please stay tuned. Here is a final look at the outcome. I really love it. I do plan on painting the base black, but I ran out of black spray paint. But let me know what you guys think, if I should just leave it alone or paint the bottom black. Have a great day and thank you for watching.